Cumudul dah ke selam. Kan long kemana serai. Kau gangam lut barak sepok kendau.
Lo ayap tu meh. Memtip isu dah.
Iding buon pak cakasnya mah. Atrai di pentip naik Kibriyo Shisur. Kibriyo le mentah ki thiet taman yok lom centiam.
Ki khubor ka Batesi TV ka umdi basnyam bak penjaslian. Rupa Premium Meghalaya.
Chief Secretary ke Jilla, Dr. Shakil P. Ahmed, Ïathuh daka Jingsho Sarong, Hakmat ki Kenrem ki Lindan, Haka Jelang Play yaka Meghalaya Spice Festival, Bala Pelong daka Tanat Agriculture and Farmers Welfare ka Sarkar Meghalaya, Haka Arpo Pratarik Urempang, Arhajar Arpunrio, Ha Geo World Drive, Bandra Kurla Complex, Kabadon, Ha Nongba Mumbai Maharashtra, Ba ki Nongrep bat ki Traish Nong ka Jilla Meghalaya, Kim Jule Thok, bat ki Deiru Kibriyo Kiba Shisur. Ha kani ke Jialang, la Sakhilang do Commissioner and Secretary ka Sarkar Meghalaya, Dr. Vijay Kumar, ka Secretary Jong ka National Turmeric Board, ka N. Bhavani, ka Deputy Secretary Jong ka Agriculture and Farmers Welfare ka Sarkar Meghalaya, ka Solani Verma bat kiwei. Kidon hadu shispa laipsan ngot ki nong sengkam ki badai ki Nongrep na kani ke Jilla Meghalaya ki balai shimenta ha kani ke yauta masa baladi yo ushinrai lakadong usiying usomarid bat kiwei kum ka sinjam ban penya yo ye ki marrep ki barem klem aidawai ha ke Jilla Meghalaya lingba ka Magnolia.
I'm saying, sir, 2 weeks ago, as you know, we went to Biofact. In Biofact, the biggest feedback we got was apparently for food products we should not put black label. In the eastern markets, in Korea, Japan, they don't like it. I mean, immediately they look at black color. So that's the feedback we got. Yeah.
But most of the Meghalaya products are black.
That's what. So इसको अब change करेंगे. थोड़ा brighter colors.
This will Java area, change the areas. Basically from that area, Java area.
Yeah. So they have this unique varieties, black turmeric and black ginger.
Have a look at it.
So these are very small quantities, but it's black turmeric.
The demand for black turmeric, if you can assure of
So we have not given our co-branding to everyone. There are only 7-8 which we have given, 7-8 big packages.
But with good quality.
In Garo,
Kerala Quilon one. We prefer this one. It's actually smaller size. Full. Its quality is far better. It's actually organic. And the taste better. It's smaller in size.
but also pineapple candy is also.
Yeah, that's also there. Good orange stuff.
People are waiting there. We'll stop at the fabric store. I don't know if you saw our silk. We have this Eri silk, which is Ahimsa silk.
First time, so you should hear. This is her first. You did a lot of good work.
bapate say Kiba inside suda Jing bap hai bapate say Kiba inside suda Santil kiskut kia kawe hala tirong bape Jing babriu jong bati penpu Jing yêu bini penhe Kisan pido iwai isa Timrat penju atau Ya roya jung krau jong kai Di ayu yurong kau Ya roya jung krau jong kai Di ayu yurong kau
significantly higher than regular turmeric. This gives it a strong color and high natural value. Meghalaya's ginger is grown in high rainfall areas. It is known for its strong flavor and rich natural oil content. Its quality makes it suitable for both domestic and international markets. Black pepper grows in shaded hill conditions and develops a strong taste. Bay leaf and cardamom are cultivated across multiple districts and are known for their natural aroma. Each spice reflects the climate and growing conditions of Meghalaya's hills.
To you all, I see a lot of our entrepreneurs from Meghalaya. I think we brought a contingent of 135 people from Meghalaya. I'm sure everybody is having a good time. I can see that, and the footfalls are great. The location is very good. The weather is very good because we thought it will be very hot. So I know this is not a setting for long speeches, but I think now that we have come this far, I really want to give a little sense of why we are here, why this 140 people from Meghalaya have been brought here? You know, why did we set up all these stalls and what is the purpose of this meeting? Obviously, everybody knows this is obviously a promotional event, so we want to showcase what Meghalaya is doing in agriculture, in tourism, particularly in spices. So we have spice is the main reason for the festival itself is the Spice Festival. So to me, I feel there are two messages, there are two big things that we are trying to do here. I think the reason we brought the Spice Festival, this is the first edition of the Spice Festival. So we have been doing festivals and events across the country, especially in agriculture, primarily focused in Delhi. So Meghalaya in agriculture, I think the video made a wonderful presentation, but I think if you have to summarize what is Meghalaya's strength in horticulture and agriculture, it is basically fruits and spices. So we do our star fruits are basically, you know, pineapple, orange, strawberry. We are doing a lot of strawberries these days. So we took the pineapple festival to Delhi. We wanted to claim that space that pineapple means Meghalaya. Basically, that was the whole idea that we wanted to create. And Meghalaya's pineapples, a lot of people tell me, and it's been a personal experience, that once you eat Meghalaya's pineapples, so you will not be able to really appreciate any other pineapple. They are that sweet and they are that amazing. Unfortunately, it's not the season, so we could not showcase those. So over the last 3 years, we have been doing this pineapple festival in Delhi. And now in Delhi, we have established a name that pineapple means Meghalaya. Sweetest pineapples are in Meghalaya. So similarly, now when we think of spices, we all know spices means Kerala. So everybody, you know, I am from Hyderabad, we all from childhood, you know, we know that all good spices come from Kerala. But what you would be very interested to know is that, in fact, just one of our friends, one of our buyers and partners, Satishji, who is sitting here, was telling me, now we should make the system in such a way that people know spices means Meghalaya. Because we have the potential for it. Because we have been doing over the last 3-4 years, I think post-COVID, a lot of interventions in spices. We already have the star spice. Our star spice is the Lakadong turmeric. We have the best turmeric in the world. In fact, wherever we go, this is the story we take, and I'm very glad that the secretary of the turmeric board is here. So we have Lakadong turmeric, which has a curcumin content of 8 to 12, whereas the average is 2 to 3. And we have ginger, we have pepper. The video showed everything. What we have done in the last few years, which makes us feel confident to come here, as I said, I think that the main reason we are here is now we feel ready. We are ready to kind of showcase our spices, our potential in spices, our entrepreneurs, our branding, our packaging, everything to the wider market. So what we have done over the last few years in spices, and it's the same story in fruits also and in various other crops, is that we have been able to, I think what was mentioned, we have been able to aggregate, we have been able to bring together farmers, because Meghalaya is a small state, but our population is only 38 lakhs, but we have 7,000 villages. That means for any of you, a buyer from a Mumbai or anywhere, even from a Guwahati, if you want to go to Meghalaya and say, I want to buy your turmeric, where do you go? So you might be able to establish some connection with some set of farmers and try to get some produce. And many of you have done that. You got some products. Some of you had good experience. Some of you did not have some, such good experiences. But basically, I think the fundamental thing is there has to be some point of contact, or there has to be some nodes, some hubs where businesses can go and reach out. I think over the last 3-4 years, what we have done is we have set up those hubs. So the film mentioned about the largest organic spice processing unit in the Northeast being set up in Meghalaya, and we are going to inaugurate it in a couple of months. It will process some 7,000 metric tons of ginger and turmeric annually. So this is a huge thing for a place like Meghalaya.
The last speaker has a disadvantage, nothing left to speak, because I was preceding Vijay both in agriculture and tourism. So I thought he'd leave some on tourism at least for me, but he didn't. That is the irony. But having said that, I'll be brief, but my only request is, seeing is believing. Believe me, you come and interact with our entrepreneurs, our farmers, you realize what authenticity is, what sincerity is, what quality is. I just narrate one example. My wife's classmates came last year to Shillong. En route, there is a place called Nongrep where the famous pineapple is there. So her classmates went and stopped at the roadside and asked them, can we buy some 10 or 15 to take back to our place? The lady who is selling it said, please don't buy this. This is not the right season. This is not the sweetest of pineapple we can give. You won't believe, Rest of the people bought whatever they can. They said, this is the only place where the seller is so honest, saying that my product is not the best I can give you. I have better ones available. That is the uniqueness of our farmers and our people. They are authentic, they are honest, they are sincere. But the difference, please understand, is what we offer you is from one of the most fertile lands on the planet. On the fertility quotient assessment, Meghalaya is found to be one of the best. When the rest of the world place was madly after, of course, that was a requirement because of the food requirement on green revolution, where it unfortunately ended in salinity and acidity for soil, our farmers, even if you give free chemicals, they are reluctant to use it. So that is the kind of affinity, affection and respect which they have for nature. They fundamentally, they respect nature, they want to protect nature. That's why we have cleanest of rivers, cleanest of villages, and our leadership, our Chief Minister want to make it as a cleanest state in the country. That's our effort. We are working on that. Add to that, the quality of agriculture product is a result of your microecology. So, believe it or not, the people come from Guwahati, when they drive up to Shillong, when they go back, they don't go back without buying vegetable from Upper Shillong. That is because they know that there is a qualitative difference. All our friends in Guwahati says that your Shillong vegetable or Meghalaya vegetables are different. Basically, your product quality depends upon your soil quality and water quality. It's a basic science. So Meghalaya can offer across spices and fruits and vegetables and our organic tomato. I mean, our only limitation initially was the quantity or scale. We have overcome that by doing mission mode work. Now we have something to the tune of more than 20,000 farmers in agro farming, organic farming. We plan to make 1 lakh hectare into organic in 1 to 2 years. We have aggregation of farmers all across the state where we can actually sort of scale it up in quantity. So these are all groundwork as done. Now we are confident to talk to an entrepreneur or a buyer or an exporter. Definitely with the quality we can assure, and also to substantial quantity we can assure to supply. And one more thing is, I mean, I had worked like Bhavani earlier, I had worked in the Commerce Ministry looking after Indian export to 22 countries. Don't take it otherwise. Many a time after these events, people may say, somehow, don't to everybody, don't take it that way. Our sample is very good, consignments are not as good as sample. This is what generally internationally people say. I've been hearing it during my exposure to international exposure in exports. But believe it, our consignment and our quality and our sample are one and the same. But respect that and please help us to maintain that quality by providing that delta price. Because if you have to do turmeric in the real best practice, you have to wash it in the river. You have to carry it by hand. You have to cut it, chop it, dry it, desiccate it, powder it. Each effort is definitely far more than a normal work. It requires extra effort. Definitely it may require an extra cost also. But that compensates in its quality. The best turmeric, I can tell you that high value realization of turmeric hasn't happened enough. There are many many other oleoresin extractant companies are here. Please try to join us. We have adequate quantity for us to try for high nutraceutical use of turmeric because of its medicinal value, nutraceutical value. We can actually explore it more and make it productive, useful for far wider audience across India and beyond. Tourism, I don't have to say much, but please believe one of the best places in India where you can visit. Come over and see. Any village you go is a place which is new and nascent and beautiful. We have the places where cloud comes to your feet. We have places where the bottom of the river is seen from the side. We have places where literally you are in cloud. And we are expanding with homestays and every facility. Please join hand with our entrepreneurs and let's work together to make Meghalaya a better place and betterment of our country and the place. Thank you very much. Jai Hind.
Had a long day, feeling drained? Let Hello Meghalaya lift your mood. right there on your phone. Movies, music, infotainment, live streams, all in one place. Content you can enjoy together, laugh together, learn together, right at home with your family. Easy to access, easy to download. Register in just a few simple steps. So why wait? Download Hello Meghalaya now.
Oh, for once I'm ready before her. Chale! Gorgeous. Let's go!
Coming. How much you honk, yeah?
Come on, we should leave.
Chill. It's just family.
Exactly. और घर वाले ही late.
By the way, how am I looking?
Very late.
Streamers, caps, candles, a cake, definitely balloons. सब आ गया. Wait a minute. Where is everyone? Show off.
Hey bro, how's it going?
एक बात बता, सबसे फास्ट होकर भी हमेशा लेट कैसे?
Style bro, style.
Hello guys, where's the birthday boy?
यहीं कहीं होगा, अपने फीचर्स को रील्स पे शो ऑफ करता हुआ.
इतना बिगाड़ा जो है. Automatic gearbox, ventilated seats, sunroof.
क्यों ना हो? Family का सबसे youngest भी तो है. Let's go guys, party time.